Hi, this is Jay from Analytics Web. In this video, we are going to see magic keywords or magic commands. So, what are magic keywords? Let's get started. There are very often that we want to control our notebook behavior or perform system calls, such as changing directories. To do that, we run commands. So, magic keywords are special commands that let us control the notebook behavior or perform system calls. So, how do we use or invoke magic commands? We need to use single percentage or double percentage with our magic commands. Magic commands which are preceded by only one percentage sign are called as line magics, and it applies only to the line that the magic command is written on. The magic commands preceded by two percentage sign are called as cell magics, and it applies to the whole cell. Now let's see some examples. Let's start with ls magic command. Ls magic commands list all the magic commands. So let's execute it. I'm pressing shift plus enter, and here we can see all the available line magics and the cell magics commands. So these are all the line magics and these are all the cell magic. Let's see line magics in practice. Alias is a line magic which allows us to create our own alias. We execute it like this: percentage alias. This is the alias name which we want to give, and this is the print statement or the echo statement that we want. Let's execute this. Shift enter. Now let's see what's inside welcome. Let's run this, and here we can see that our welcome contains welcome to Analytics Bay. The next line command is pwd. Pwd is for present working directory. Let's execute this, and here we can see that it displays our present working directory. Next is ls. Ls commands list all the files and folders in the current working directory. Let's execute it, and here we can see that hello.jupyter.py, this is one file and there is one folder inside our present working directory. Next is system. We can use system to get our date or the system information. So let's get the current date, execute it, and here we can see that it's Monday, July 3rd. Sometimes we want to know that how much time our code needs to run. For that, there is a command called percentage time. So here I want to see how much time does it take to print this statement. Let's execute it, and here we can see that 5.93 microseconds. If we want to know how long does it takes for a whole cell to the run, we use double percent sign, that is called as cell magics. Let's execute it, and it takes 48.9. If we are looking for more information on our magic functions or magic commands, we can always proceed with question mark, and we can execute this command. It will open a window and it will give us the information about this command, like the cd changes the current working directory, then the uses, how to use it, and what are the options we can use it, and the examples. We can also use it, this question mark after this. Let's execute it, and this is the same thing. This was a very brief about magic commands. If you want to learn more, you can practice on your own, or you can check this website for more examples. You can find this link in description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe.